Are you looking to make money online but don't have a clue on where to get started? Well, in this short video, we're going to be going over how you can spot a fake biz-opp and know what to look for before you join your next business opportunity. So stick around, and when I come back, we'll get started. Alright guys, so I am back at my desktop and I created a little slide for you guys, just a quick PowerPoint, and we'll go over this to give you a little a better understanding of what to be aware of, when looking for different online opportunities and different purchasing and stuff online. I'll make this real quick, guys. I just wanted to have this inside of my arsenal of videos for those of you that need help. Oh, and thanks guys for all the comments inside of Facebook and on YouTube. So let's get started. How to spot a fake business online. So the first thing you need to do, if you're leery about something that you're getting involved with online, do some homework on the biz. Whether every reputable company has email, telephone, and a physical address. I like to look for the physical address because, as a marketer, I like to actually find people that are in, my geographical area that it's beneficial for me, so I don't have to fly, across the US just to connect with somebody and, work together and stuff like that. So that's some things to look for, email, telephone, and address. Let's see, you also could check on Facebook, YouTube. In today's internet age, every legitimate business you would think would have some kind of web presence. Aside from trying to contact the business directly, try searching social media. So yeah, just look on the bottom of their web page, see if there's any kind of social media where you can connect to, do a Google search, YouTube, video is Google, Facebook, type it into Facebook search engine and just see what comes up. If you don't find nothing, chances are they are not reputable. Check the domain name. Most fake websites will use a domain name that is similar to the well-known brand or product name, but won't be the official website. For example, this is an iPad example. It's www.onepad.net, and then we have www.ipads.com. So look up there in the URL at the very top of your web browser and you will see the URL. So that's something to look for also. Sounds too good. Does this offer or product sound ridiculously easy or too good to be true? Do you see a lot of money being thrown around? Is it filmed inside of a big house with a fancy 6-car garage? Does their English have funny accents, or you see a lot of misspellings on the website? Now, I know that is kind of, edgy, talking about people's accents, but you need to research and see, what exactly they provide and, how they can back it up. Because a lot of people are, that are not English speaking, try to, and there's nothing wrong with that, but just make sure, you do a little research on it. And check the website. Make sure, there's not a lot of problems with spelling. Check the return policy. Take a couple of minutes, maybe an hour, or even sleep on it for the night before you make a decision. I've done that many a times. I'll have a product, and I'll be iffy, and I'll sleep on it before I make the decision. Be sure to look over the return policy and make sure it's a good one. Most online companies today will give you 30 to 60 days with no questions asked. So, there are many great business opportunities available online. Just remember, just because a product claims to do something doesn't mean it's a push button overnight money machine or money making machine. So, just because it says it can do all that, 9 times out of 10, that's not legit. Um, you still have to put in the work, sometimes more than you would a regular 9 to 5 job. But once you get the hang of it and find a business that matches your passion or your core beliefs, you'll be on the right track. So that is, how to be aware and look for different things when starting out. I'm here at Fiverr now, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is for people to get testimonies, $5, $30, you can get amazing, and all you do is give these people the script and they'll, cater to it. You can even send them the background. So that's simple there. eBay. I've typed in fake money. So you can do this for just about anything. You could go with fake watches. And, you see all these Rolex looking type watches. You just got so much fake stuff out there. It's fake plugs. Let's see what that is. So the people even fake their earrings. So yeah, just be aware of people throwing a lot of money around. Like you'll see a lot of people in these videos. They'll take these stacks. Like, look, you can buy all these dummy stacks for $10, $15, and all right, I'm 43 years old. My eyes ain't that great, I can look and, oh, wow, so it's just that easy to set up one of these videos with fake money thrown around, looking really, oh, I'm a baller, I'm this. Nothing against those that are balling, hey, do your thing. But I just wanted to make this video because I run into a lot of marketers starting out and also inside of the groups on Facebook. They always say the same thing, well, I've invested and I got scammed. Or I, saw this person making money and I, fell for it and they went out of business. So, that's one of the things that I want to stress to you guys. Everything in life is not going to be easy, but find your passion, find something that you enjoy and do it, and you'll see an amazing return on that. Now, you might say, well, I don't have nothing I'm good at. I've thought that way for a long time. You guys know the barriers that I've faced, with the ADHD, with the learning disability, with dyslexia, all that stuff, piled up, and I used to think, gosh, man, I'm not good at nothing. But then the internet came and I was just amazed. And still, even though I have to work twice as hard as somebody that, this would come easy to, but it's totally worth it, so find something that you enjoy. And I know you probably hear this from every marketer, but that's the only way that you'll ever prosper in any online business. Find something that you enjoy and continue to do it. Let me show you a few of these fake sites. Now this is a fake site here, and you can't even tell the difference. This is just a bogus dummy site. I mean, you see it doesn't make no sense. There is different spellings of another language. Here's another one. Let me pop through this one. This is a fake site here. Free Forever Dog Islands. Send your dog. So, you know, they're hard to tell the difference between a legit and a fake site, but these are fake sites. Here's another one. Help save the endangered Pacific Northwest tree octopus from extinction. So, you know, these are just fake sites. And let's see if what they would have. See, so let's see if we can download the free box pattern. See. Anyway, guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video, but you know, do a little due diligence, a little research before you jump into your next online opportunity. Alright guys, have a great day and take care.